Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to the Newline Engage platform. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about fun gamification that you can include in your curriculum. So this will actually work for any grade, any subject, any level. You really can personalize this to meet the needs of you and your students, which is great. So if you haven't downloaded the Newline Engage Cloud Quick Start Guide, I highly recommend it. It will give you the direct link to this website as well that we're going to talk about. The website you can see over on the right side of my screen here is actually myfreebingocards.com. So you can see that. But this is where you can upload bingo into your Engage platform. So, whether it is introducing something, doing knowledge checks, just, fun ways to incorporate your curriculum into a way that students get excited about. Go for it. You do you. Whatever works best for you is awesome. The thing I love about myfreebingocards.com is it's super easy to personalize. So you do have a couple of options if you want to incorporate this into your day. On the left side, we're going to be in our Newline Engage platform. I'm actually in my teacher board, my instructor board. I'll say I have it labeled medical terminology because I'll show you how to personalize for this. But if you see you have an upload option, you can actually upload bingo. So if you've downloaded any of these cards and saved them, you could upload these bingo cards straight into your platform. I like to do that. Sometimes I'll just choose one bingo card, but it may be when we're talking about language. For example, maybe you are a foreign language instructor or, something that can sound like a foreign language, like medical terminology. And everybody has the same card that they're working off of. And as you start talking about definitions or you pronounce words, one, how quickly can people identify what's going on? Or two, can they choose the correct things from the options that are given on the card? So you really can make this work for you, but that's just one option. Another option you have, you can go on the right side of your panel here and in widgets, of course, you can always add a link. So let's go into the bingo card platform and talk about personalizing this. Of course, they have a lot of pre-created bingo cards for you. So you can choose different options. If we go into school, like, of course, languages, math, music, whatever it may be, there's truly something for everybody. But as I mentioned, you can actually create your own using the free bingo card generator. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I like this because you can actually choose your own title. So if we're going to choose medical terminology, so we'll just go medical term bingo to keep it short. I can go ahead, that's going to be the name, and voila, there it is up at the top of my card. I have this set for automatic grid size. So the smallest is a 3x3. As you start adding, it will grow. Of course, you can always choose if you wanted it to be a certain size by default. So you do you, whatever works best for you is fabulous. But we're going to start entering in some words that are going to come, if it's from your unit or, whatever your curriculum is, it does not matter. So you enter in one word and then you enter in your next. After each word, you just hit your enter key to go down to the next line. So that way you can keep adding additional words for whatever it may be that you're focusing on. Again, really great for foreign language, awesome for any subject, music teachers and things like that, as well as just being able to recognize whether it's music or math. You could do symbols. So symbols will show up as well. Obviously, I have just a little hyphen in there, but it definitely works. So we're going to go ahead and keep entering in. I'm going to keep it as a 3x3 just for the sake of time. But you can see if you look over on the right side of the screen, how it does enter in one square at a time. So as you go, you can actually see how this develops, which is really nice. And as you add, it will fill up. So now we filled up all of our different squares because we're just going to keep it with a 3x3, but you can choose a theme. So if you want to have something different, just kind of change the way it looks, you can do that. So really fun to make it your own. They make it super easy. You have extra options down below. So please don't forget to check those out. As I go into the next step, this is where I can choose to download, say 30 cards for free. Not a problem, works for me. Freemium is fabulous. And so I've got that. I can print them, all sorts of different things. So let's go. We're going to choose that. And here we are. So as I mentioned, when you go into your Engage platform, you do have the option to create a link. So this link is actually pre-generated for the bingo game we just made. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, and I'm going to bring my window back over to the side. I'm going to add link here. And of course, it's a website link because I'm pulling it from myfreebingocards.com. And this is our medical terminology bingo. But the fun thing about doing it this way is when I create this link, any of my students that click on this link, it's going to create an individualized bingo card for them. So now everybody gets a different card. I'm going to go ahead and invite myself here as a student. So I've got my student invite copied. I'm going to add a window here. So now I can actually join my platform, and you can see I've popped up both on the left side and on the right side. So here I am in student mode, and over on the left side here is my instructor board. But if I choose my selection tool and I'm like, all right, it's bingo time, let's see what we got. There we go. It goes ahead and it creates an individualized bingo card just for me. So lots of fun options for you to add gamification, lickety split to any of your curriculum lessons that you are choosing. So I hope this is fun for you, and we will talk again on another video. Take care.